as you know, Prabhu violata एक व्हडलो issue आसलो. It was a simple issue of one STP not functioning, but it had a snowballing effect on polluting groundwater, on polluting the borewell, on polluting the water which goes to them, potable water for drinking. All those issues were there. And then for some reason, there were so many agencies involved that particular coordination which has to happen between department to department in resolving the issue took little time. That's why I said best I call the meeting, I call them also and thresh out whatever is there. There was some little problem perhaps between the builder and the residents themselves because there were other issues as well. But I was able to resolve and make them agree on a common program where everybody, the colony problem of water contamination gets solved. It is a long-term solution and there will not be any sort of pollution in the future. So everybody was satisfied at the end of it all.
So one more thing is that
Solution is like this: within 15 days time, he will set the STP right, and if excess capacity is required, he will even install more additional capacity. Number one, he will see that drinking water, also the number of hours availability of drinking water also increases, good maintenance is done, and whatever help that is required from his side, he is willing to give. Most important is Mr. Gaurav Pokle, who handles this type of issues as regards waste management. He is the one who is responsible for the WOW plant, wealth out of waste. That particular plant which he is responsible, okay, he has been appointed as the coordinating person between the builder and the residents as well as the panchayat. He alone will coordinate because he has managed many such issues, and he said that without favoring the contractor or the builder, without leaning towards anybody, what is right thing he will do, and whatever is there, that will be done.
So one more thing you want to know is that Tinshi Sumar Flata
Amicably sort out that issue as well.
No, because
But
they have come
that
in.
is a separate issue
No, they
altogether.
have come in front of the government.
Yeah.
Government of Florida असताना government कितें म्हणटा सोसायटी बा मेंटेन करपाक जाय रजिस्ट्रेशन करून जाय मागीर तें जावंक ना जाल्यार ते लोक कितें करतले मागीर
अरे ऐक बाबा, सध्या उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम आहा न्ही, कंटेमिनेटेड वॉटर पिवपा जाता, यूज करपा जाता, जायना, तो सॉल्व कर म्हूण सांगला. आनी आफ्टर दॅट इज सॉल्व, both the members of that residential society and the contractor or the builder sit together and see that the society is registered and it is handed over to them.
टाइम टू टाइम हे केल्ले न्हू.
It is a time bound thing. हे प्रॉब्लेम त्यांच्या 15 दिसां भितर त्यांनी सांगला सॉल्व करता म्हणून. आणि
ना,
दुसरे
टा-
प्रॉब्लेम ते मातशे टाइम लागता बिकॉज
ना,
बोथ हॅव टू
ना,
सीट
time-
फ्रॉम द सोसायटी अँड ऑल दॅट.
टाइम टू टाइम समज मेंटेन केल्ले जाल्यार हे जावचें नाशिल्लें.
So why it
See,
took so long?
somehow, in spite of instructions from Panchayat, from me, all the departmental coordination that is necessary for such a issue was not coming. Today I brought it because I felt unless I deeply get involved, it will not be solved. So we have solved it today.
who is at fault in all these things?
Huh?
Who is at a fault on all these things? Because
See,
society
there are
register
multiple-
करना,
there are
maintenance
multiple
ना.
reasons. I don't want to aggravate the problem which has been resolved very nicely by putting the blame on somebody. Okay? It has been resolved. I am happy at the end of it all.
मिस्टर मावेल कितें रिजॉल्व जालो
रिजॉल्व जालो म्हणल्यार थिंगा कॉन्टॅमिनेटेड वॉटर 15 दिसां उपरांत प्रश्नूच येवपा ना, इतलें हांव जाणा.
आतां
सगळ्या
आजून पासून आसा न्ही कंटमिनेशन
ना ना, आतां त्यांनी रिपोर्ट हाडले, 2 रिपोर्ट हाडले, मातशे 2 रिपोर्ट कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी आसले. तेय तांकां फाल्यांच वचोन न्यू सॅम्पल कार्ड दुसरे एजन्सी दी आनी हाड म्हूण गव्हर्मेंटाकूय सांगला, पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डानूय वचोन दुसरे सॅम्पल काडपाचे आनी मॅच करून सांगपाचें.
मागीर फक्त contaminated जालें जाल्यार?
प्रॉब्लेम 2 दिसां भितर तेणी सॉल्व
पण
करता.
पत्ते कंटॅमिनेटेड जालें जाल्यार रिपोर्ट डी म्हटल्यार जाता जाता कंटॅमिनेटेड जालें जाल्यार पत्ते
ती पत्ते कॉन्टॅमिनेटेड तूं रावता थिंगाय कॉन्टॅमिनेट जावपाक शकता. उदीक
मागीर ते
तशें.
तशें
ते मागीर सॉल्व करचें पडटा.
In these 15 days, any other arrangements have been done for that?
Huh?
In these 15 days, any other arrangements for drinking water?
Other arrangements they have done on their own, and there are some people who are helping them. They themselves said. So we said, please bear for 15 days. After 15 days, if there is a problem, you tell me.
But why it take so much days to solve this issue?
एक महिना झाला
That's what I said. It is not one department which is responsible. There are so many departments. Water resources is there. Water supply department is there. Pollution control board is there. Executive engineer is there. Panchayat is there. So many. Somehow, sometimes coordination does not come. Even though we are a small state, it is an area of one colony. And I wanted to resolve it precisely because there have to be certain SOPs that have to be followed in future as well. दुसरे कडेन कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाले हेच आमकां करचें पडटलें आनी शॉर्टस्ट पॉसिबल टायमान ते सॉल्व जातले.
So will builder be taken to task for not registering society?
एज अ आमदार स्थानिक आमदार म्हणून तुमी थंय कित्याक गेले ना एक नाही जाणून घेवपाक तांचो प्रश्न
जाणून घेयला म्हूण ही स्टेज पावन आज सॉल्व केलें.
ना आज
ते
एक
तुका समजणी मेळना जाल्यार
ना,
हांव
एक म्हयन्यान काय म्हणटा?
तेज्यावन माय जावन उत्तर दिवपाक शकना.
एक म्हयन्यान आज
So will builder
जाणून
taken to
Minister-
task for not registering society or not?
thanks.
No. See, it is up to
It's been
the
almost
see,
one-
it is up to the residents to resolve the problems by forming a society. Which also I told them, even though it is your personal problem in the colony, if you need my help, please, I am there to help you to form the society. That is a different issue. Builder also has said I will fully facilitate them after I got involved. So that is the thing.
एक
मिनिस्टर
महिन्या
या आता एका कॉलनीन झाले असे बाकीचे खूपशे रेसिडेंट्स असतले तुम्ही
म्हणून
तुम्ही
कितें
ताचेर
म्हणला समजून घे हांवें म्हणला दिस वील हेल्प टू एस्टॅब्लिश SOPs and the delays will not be there as some people they want to hop on one point only एक म्हयनो अशें न्हू प्रॉब्लेम 2 म्हयने लागपाक शकता पूण डेफोर असले जावपाक नाका म्हूण आमी दुसरे भाशेन बरे भाशेन सॉल्व केला न्ही.
तुम्ही रिझॉल्व केलें बरें आसा तुम्ही रिझॉल्व केलें बरें आहा पूण एट द एंड ऑफ द डे सोसायटी केली म्हणटकूच मेंटेनन्स आसता मेंटेनन्स केलेलें आनी हें जालें हें जातलें आसलेलें सो समथींग हॅज गॉन रॉंग न्हू सर.
Baba, I answered this earlier. I don't want to pinpoint blame on anyone. It will not help to resolve the problem. It will create more differences between them, which I don't want.
ते बिल्डराक एस्केप दिता तुम्ही ह्या तुमच्यान सत्य नवीन बाब बिल्डराक एस्केप दिता काय म्हणटा
हांव तुका एस्केप दिता मरे तुजो आन्सर कोण नासतना तुका एस्केप दिता हांव कित्याक तूं सद्दां असो आसता.